We put the light in the hands of the guys that use it. And no matter how big a budget you have for marketing, if you have a better product, everyone will switch to our product. So what we'll do is once one guy in a department buys that light, they all switch.
What's the difference between your LED lights and your competitors' LED lights?
Well, I think we have in the same, everybody buys their LEDs from a couple of main sources. But we're able to get more light out of it simply because we have what we call active heat sink technology management. And what that means is a heat sink, mechanical heat sink, is a little small piece of metal. It can be brass, it can be aluminum, that actually takes the heat from the light and basically allows you to keep the light from getting too hot. What we do is, in addition to mechanical heat sinks, we have active heat sink technology, which is what I told you. It's some extra layer of chips. And what that does is takes the excess heat buildup and converts it back to electricity. What that means is, for the same light that's from another manufacturer, we can not only give you more lumen output, more light, but longer run times.
This is a product, the flashlight with the video embedded. Is this product patented?
That product, right now, there are other products from the market that have this. They're actually quite a bit bigger. They're 2 feet long, weigh 2.5 pounds, and cost $2,000. Our product initially was only going to be a little bit different, in that it was going to be quite a bit smaller. That light you're holding is, in its final stage, will be 7 inches long, 13 ounces, and brighter than what's out there. A tremendous rechargeable duty flashlight. What we did do was we built in the video, very high resolution video. Now we have audio. You better believe if you're out there and you're arresting somebody, there's 4 or 5 people video, on their cell phone today. So this way you get to record if it's an OUI stop and you see the guy falling down drunk and his lawyer's in court saying, my guy wasn't drunk, you play the video back. Some states don't allow for audio and some do, so we have a switch internally that will allow you to turn the audio off if you're not allowed to do it in that state.
So what's the difference between batons that are being used and your baton?
Okay, this is a softer type of a material. Everything out there is either they're wood or steel or aluminum or a very, very hard material, a hard polycarbonate. This is a softer plastic. There's some flexibility to this. You can probably see it. So the idea, and this is a softer end, that you can still strike people, because with a baton strike, you want a muscular nerve impact. You don't want to break the bone. In addition to this, we've applied for the trademark Baton Light, L-I-T-E, because it's a lighter baton, which is smaller and lighter to carry. But the idea is we built our tactical touch switch and light into the baton. So now you have high. Most likely at night you'd be using the low setting, which is 90 lumens, and then touch it again, goes to this orienting strobe.